wrong when to do that, you know, if you're like doing the solo thing.
Right.
So maybe I'll just kind of, we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once upon a time there was an engineer. I drove a locomotive both far and near, accompanied by a monkey who would sit on a stool, watching everything the engineer would do. Once the engineer wanted a bite to eat, left the monkey sitting on the driver's seat. Monkey pulled the throttle, locomotive jumped the gun, and then 90 miles an hour down the main line rolled. Big locomotive right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99. I said, left the engineer with the worried mind. Engineer called up the dispatch on the phone, tell them all about his locomotive was gone. Get the wire, switch operator to right, because the monkey's got the main line sort of tied. The switch operator got the message in time, said there's a northbound living down the main line. Open up the switch, you better let it through the hole, because the monkey's got the locomotive under control. Big locomotive right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99. Left the engineer with the worried mind. Right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99. I said, left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind. I said,